asleep? Oh my god. I can't believe I actually fell asleep. The arms of the villain. But he did take care of me. And I was cold and so scared. Maybe he's not as terrible as I thought. Or maybe I'm just desperate for some kind of safety. But if the team finds out, if they find out, I might never get back into the academy again. Betrayal. Right? I didn't mean to fall asleep. I was so tired. Oh, hi. I'm sorry. Thanks for taking care of me. I didn't expect it. I'm still sore though. Is there anything I should do? You're being really kind. It's strange. Because I guess I still don't understand why you helped me. Why you stayed with me. That's a nice way to put it. Seriously, thank you for everything. Yeah. I don't want to fall asleep again in your arms. I'll try. I'm starting to see you differently. Like, not as a villain, but someone more. Someone who saved me. Someone who might keep me safe. Even if I never admit it out loud. I feel safe here. More than I have in a long time. It scares me, but it feels good too. I don't want to let my guard down. But maybe I don't have to. Because maybe you're not the enemy I thought you were. My side still hurts. I hope it's healing. Yeah, I should try not to move too much. I never thought someone like you would be so gentle. Well, I guess we all have sides no one sees right away. maybe it's okay to trust someone a little, even if they scare me. It's strange to feel this way about the villain. But you're not just a villain, are you? There's definitely more to you. I think I'm gonna rest again now. It's really peaceful here. Yeah. I'm awake. Really. No, seriously, I'm not falling asleep this time. I mean, I am tired, but I'm awake. But you can't just start playing with my hair like that and expect me not to doze off. Okay. Maybe just a little. It's kind of nice. I wasn't gonna fall asleep again. I really wasn't. But it's hard to fight it when you're so gentle. This is very calming. I have to learn that this is okay. To trust someone enough to fall asleep right next to them. I just feel like I'm not supposed to be this relaxed with the villain. But here I am. Yeah. I am awake. What are you talking about? What about it? I can be awake and have closed eyes at the same time. Yeah. Can you keep this a secret?